Welcome to Epitech channel free subscriber HTML text formatting. HTML formatting elements. Formatting element were designed to display special type of text. B. Bold text, strong important text. I. Italic text. EM. Emphasize text. Mark text. Small text. ENS. Text insert text. Delete text. Subscript. Superscript text. HTML B and strong element. The HTML B element define bold text without any extra importance. Example: the HTML strong element defines strong text with add female text. Strong important. Example: the I's and EM element. The HTML I element define italic text without any extra importance. Example: the HTML EM element define emphasize text with add female text important. Example: HTML small element. The HTML small element define smaller text. Example: HTML mark element. The HTML mark element define mark or highlight text. Example: HTML delete element. The HTML delete element define deleted or remove text. Example: HTML insert element. The HTML insert element define inserted or add text. Example: HTML sub element. The HTML sub element define subscript text. Example: HTML super element. The HTML super element define superscript text. Example. Thank you for your watching. Please subscribe to our channel. Good luck, goodbye. See you next.